Hello again. It's been a pretty wet start to the day for many parts of the UK. There's some large puddles, and of course with the heavy rain we've seen, it is exacerbating the risk of flooding, where we've already had flooding in recent days. Now, it's not just rain, it's also some largely hill snow and some heavier bursts, so you could see some of that getting down to lower levels, but mostly at lower levels it will be sleet and rain. And we've got a lot of mild air pumping in from the Atlantic, except for across northern and eastern parts of Scotland and the far northeast of England. So here's our band of rain and hill snow continuing to advance northwards, and some of it will be quite heavy, particularly down to about 200 centimetres, where we'll see it accumulate. But through the course of the afternoon, that snow level will rise across the Pennines. Behind it, brighter skies, a little bit of sunshine, and then later on in the day we'll see the cloud thicken out towards the west as we see some more rain arrive and our snow continuing to push northwards. In fact, by tomorrow morning, parts of the Highlands and Grampians above 200 metres could have as much as 20 centimetres. By the end of the afternoon, we could see as much as 15 centimetres across the tops of the Pennines. Mild in the south, 14 degrees, unseasonably so, and still cold in the north. Now, through this evening and overnight, our band of rain continues to migrate northwards, eventually joining forces with the snow that we'll have across the north of Scotland. Further showers coming in across the west of Wales, western England. Some of those could be heavy and thundery, but it's going to be mild for Northern Ireland, England and Wales. Still cold across Scotland, particularly so in sheltered glens. So our two weather fronts that have merged will be sinking southwards tomorrow and weakening as they do so. The showers in the west drifting eastwards, most of them petering out. So brighter skies following on behind with some wintry showers in Scotland, and we'll still hang on to the mild conditions and some bright skies ahead of our weather fronts coming south as well in southern England. On Saturday, we've got a bit of an issue because a lot of us will have dry weather with some sunshine, feeling cold, and that cold air getting a bit further south. Then it's going to bump into this rain coming in from the southwest. Now, just how far this rain travels north is still open to question, but it could produce some snow, we think mostly on the hills, and you'll notice from the temperatures feeling colder.